Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we will fix forbidden error on WordPress website. Forbidden error, you don't have permission to access on this server. There are multiple ways to fix this error. Now we will apply one by one. First one is to delete .htaccess file. Second one is deactivate or rename plugin and theme folder, and third one is to replace the WordPress core files. Now go to cPanel. This is our cPanel and you see .htaccess file. You can rename it, download it or delete it to fix this error. Now I will download it and click on save. Now delete .htaccess file to fix this error. There are multiple ways to fix this error. Now file is deleted. Now check website. Error is still on website. Sometime this error will remove by deleting .htaccess file, but now there is still error after deleting .htaccess file. Now go back to hosting again. Now we will deactivate or rename plugins and theme files. Go to WP contact and this is plugin folder, rename it. Now check website again. Still there is error. Now we will deactivate or rename theme folder. We are in hosting again and now rename theme folder. Now check website again. There is still error on website after renaming plugin and theme folder. Mostly this error will remove after deleting .htaccess file or renaming folder, but now there is still error, so we will apply third method to replace the WordPress files. Now download WordPress file from wordpress.org and you can click on it and download file. Click on save. File is downloaded now. So go to folder. This is WordPress and we already extract this file, and now you can replace WP admin file and WP include file, or you don't replace WP content file because there is a plugin and theme folder in it in hosting. So you can make zip file. Right click on it and click on add to archive and click on zip, and also WP include file, add to archive and click on zip. So you can upload these both files in hosting and replace, and hopefully this error will remove now after uploading this file. Now we are making archive zip files. Zip file is done. Now we will upload these both files, WP admin file or WP include zip file. Now go back to hosting and now go back to main folder. Now we will upload both WP include and WP admin file. Click on upload and select file from here. This is WP include file, and again select, and WP admin zip file. Now uploading are in progress. Both files are uploaded. Upload is complete, and now go back and you see WP admin. Right click on it and extract here, extract file, and now file is replaced. You see today, and now WP include file, extract and click on extract file and close, and now you see WP include file also replaced with new files. Now check website again after uploading or replacing file. This is our website and forbidden error. Now refresh it. You can remove error by deleting .htaccess file. You can remove error by renaming plugins or theme folder. You can remove error by replacing core WordPress file. So it can be removed by multiple way. So our error is removed and you see website is working fine. This is our sample website, recipe website. All links are opening and website is working fine. So in this way you can remove forbidden error from your website by deleting .htaccess file or renaming plugins or theme folder or replacing the WordPress core file. So it can be solved by any method. So I hope you understand this video. If you like this video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.